Hello guys, welcome back to App Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to block your links into your Discord server. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to do that, you just simply have to open your browser. And after opening the browser, you just simply have to search for Discord link delete bot. You can choose any of the suitable option from that search and use suitable bots in order to block the links into your Discord server. Otherwise, you can just open this auto delete beta from Discord itself and you will get a bunch of options into this page. Now you just simply have to tap to this add app, and after that it will give an option to add your app into your server. Just simply choose the server where you want to add this bot, and after that tap to continue and allow the permissions for the server. For example, I'm allowing all the permission for the server, and after that tap to authorize, and it will be added to your server after verifying that you are a human and your bot can perform all the available actions, and it will block the links from your server. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.